Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel and to vlog 2 of this amazing series where I'm showing my mom around Toronto for the very first time. Today's vlog is very simple, yet it's very dear to our hearts. Mom is meeting with a very special guest, and in fact, I am meeting her for the very first time. Also in this vlog, you will see me take mom through another rigorous exercise. But before you go, here's a spoiler alert. Man, I hate spoilers, but I feel like if I describe it, you guys will stick around even more. Guys, I made the most succulent short ribs, baked chicken, rice and peas, socially and delicious. Guys, you have to stick around to see this. So this is mom's third day here in Canada. So yesterday we went to Brampton, we went to Bramley City Centre, we passed through Mississauga for cake tasting. So how could I end this part of the video without showing you, without demolishing mom in the gym? Where are we going now, mom?
Gym.
We're going to the gym. You're looking forward to this workout? We are setting the record straight. She's looking forward to the gym, so I need no complaints today. Alright? Good, good. So we're now headed on the road. Mom has a visitor today, mom's special visitor, so we'll be coming back to chef it up in the kitchen. So it's an icy day here today, guys, but mom is such a good sport. She's coming out with me to the gym, but I must be honest though, she's like a really good sport, because when I'm leaving, I leave her specific workouts to do and what she should eat and all of that. And guys, I'm pleased. She has put on probably a pound or two, but we are going to get that off. Nothing to be alarmed about, but we are putting in the work, because guess what, guys? I need to look even sexier in that suit that I tried on last night. But mom, don't I can't get any sexier.
No.
Yeah. Mom said that I reached the peak of my sexiness, so I'm just bringing her to the gym today, guys. So I'll be just sitting on my phone and talking to you guys while I bring her through the rigors of a true Jill Sergeant workout. So now we're headed in. Mom is going into warmer places, and we'll be getting that heart racing today. We're in the lion's den. Mom is already worried. Come, take that off quickly, because today it's going to be Armageddon. First order of business for mom, some shoulder press. So we're doing a quick shoulder workout, arms, then abs, and we finish up with some cardio. But guys, I know it sounds a lot, but I won't be going too heavy on her. Just 2 to 3 sets of each workout. So 2 sets shoulder press on the machine, and then we're going to go here. She's going to do lateral raises on this machine here. Just 2 sets, guys. As much as possible, I try to get her using the machines and not the free weights. So you just going to bring your both arms up. Yeah, continue. Just like that. Too heavy. Alright. That was a bit heavy, guys, so let me change right there. Give her a lighter weight. Perfect, mom. Continue. 1, 2, good. Look up. Perfect. How you feel? Feeling good. Okay, guys, so she just finished the first set of lateral raise. 6, 7, come on, 3 more. You've got this. Easy breezy, guys, easy breezy. She's got this. Super experienced. Okay, guys, so nothing too crazy. Easy, light tempo. Bring it all the way down, extend, yeah, good. 3 more, come on, 3 more, big 3. 1, 2, 3, perfect, mom. Mom is just figuring out tricep press. Still not 100, but we're getting better. We're getting better and better each day. How long are you doing it? How many minutes are you doing?
20.
20 minutes, okay, good. She's going to finish off with some steady state cardio, and that's a good workout here in the back. We're all done now, guys. How are you feeling?
Alright.
Just say that you're okay, guys, so we got all that we wanted to do except apps. So we're rushing to the supermarket now as we need to start prepping food for mom's guests. The time is against us. I think I have 90 minutes to prep this food. So we're thinking about changing the menu. So we're stopping at the supermarket. We're at Farm Boy. Yes, guys, this is a part of our workout. So she has to carry the bag. Okay, guys, so we're rushing home now. And I'll have to cook my quickest meal ever. Okay, guys, so we're running behind time. So let me just show prep. We have some leg and thigh here. And we have some short ribs that I'll be putting on right there. And I have some wings that I'll be adding to this, like probably an hour in. So yeah, guys, we're here chefing up, and this is the rice and peas on the way. So mom went for a quick shower because you know she has to look her best for her guest. Oh, that rhyme. Okay, guys, so we want these nicely seared on all fours, and then we'll be putting it in the oven in some nice sauce to do the good work. So the rice and peas is coming on over here. My sauce is here ready for my short ribs. All that goodness in. So we're putting this in the oven now. Okay, see what we have. This is us, guys. Almost not there quite yet. Okay, guys, so just to show you. Try.
Do you want her to go back for Princess?
Mom's sister came, so we hosted Claudette's first visitor. She was so lovely, guys. She was just a burst of energy. She came with her daughter, brought her. So I met her. I met them for the first time. So it was lovely, guys. And you saw the food. How was the food, Mom? I enjoyed spending time with your sister?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. Okay, guys, so we're going to get ready now. So we're headed on the road. We're going Costco and some other places. Headed to where we're going, Mom? Costco. We're going? Alright. And where else we going? People, Claudette is ready. Step out. Claudette is ready for us. Beautiful Shani. Okay, guys, so we're at the Safe Fairview Mall. Continue. Woo! What's the temperature now, Mom? What do you think? What do you think the temperature is? Guys, it's cold. Okay, guys, so we just checked out Winners. We never saw anything that we liked, so now we're in Marks. Go on, Mom. So guys, we're looking at dress shoes, and it's so interesting, guys. I saw my exact shoes on the rack. Let me check if the price has appreciated. Definitely, guys. I bought these shoes for $60, and now the price is $90. Should have bought 10 and sell them back this year. Hey guys, so this is shoe number 1. You guys can let me know be fair to the shoes, but dress pants.
So yeah, it's probably in the box. Or if you want to try it.
One? One foot of that, one foot of the other one, maybe. So you can
Which
compare.
one do you prefer?
I like these ones to give a shot. What is it for?
Wait.
Ready?
I bought a shoe, but it had a scratch on it, so I've placed an order for them to send to the house. So, guys, shoes, we're done with shoe shopping now. So, now I need shirt, I have my jacket, I have my shoes, now I need shirt, cufflinks, and accessories. Smile, mama. Yeah. Come on. Dance first, mom. Okay, guys, so I finalized on the shoes. And now I'm going into Hudson Bay to see if I see any shirts. Transitioning. It's been a good day, but I'm here at Costco and I'm transitioning to wild caught something. Guys, it's going to be a major change, but I need to stop eating the farmed salmon. Guys, they're so juicy, but they're not healthy, guys, and I need to stop it. So today marks the start of a significant change for me. So I've been moving away from the super to wild sockeye salmon. I'll give you an update as to the taste, but I'm not looking forward to it. Here, we're wrapping up here at Costco. We got a few items. I did my vegetable run, guys, all healthy stuff here, and a major update, a change from that fatty farm salmon to wild sockeye salmon. So in further vlogs, in future vlogs, I'll be updating you as to my journey with this transition. So we're wrapping up our shopping here at Costco, and I think it's best to wrap the video up here because my phone is dying. Give you a quick run through all healthy stuff here, guys. And the major transition that I made was to switch to, I'm done with that farm raised stuff, not healthy. So how was your trip on the road today? Yeah, guys.
Excellent.
Mom says it's excellent. I got her approval, icing on the cake, my day is made. So guys, we're about to head home. So if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, send it to a friend, all that good stuff, guys. Thank you for your support. Until next time, keep wondering, stay curious. Whoa, me cool. Okay, guys, so we're planning on going home to do some cooking. No, well, to prepare some food from what was left back from today. But we're doing a little top up. So we're at Grillados, trying out this Grillados, guys. If it's good, let you know if it's good. So just ordered half of chicken